Dear student, today we learn the most important topic in trigonometry, compound angle. So what is mean by compound angle? Compound angle is nothing but the sum or differences of given angles. So here we take the first formula, sine of A plus or minus B. So very simple formula, you can remember. How to remember this formula? Very simple strategy. Just remember sine, cos, sine, same sign. Sine, cos, sine, same sign. If plus sign is present, then plus sign. If minus sign is present, then take minus sign. So sine, and the first angle is sine of A, B, cos of A multiplication sine of B. So in such way that you can remember the sine of A plus or minus B. Let's we take some example. So first example, sine of 15 degrees. So we can write sine 45 degree minus 30 degree is equal to, again remember sine, cos, sine, same sign. So here minus sign is present, therefore we take minus sign. So write down the first angle 45 degree, then second angle 30 degree, first angle 45 degree and second angle 30 degree. We know that the values of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta for 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So for sine of 0 is 0, 1 by 2, 1 upon root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Write down in reverse manner. So 1, 0, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2 and 1 upon root 2. So tan theta is nothing but sin theta upon cos theta, therefore 0 upon 1, that is 0. So 1 upon root 3, 1, root 3 and infinity, means not defined. So put the values. So sine of 45, 1 upon root 2, cos of 30 degree, root 3 by 2 minus cos of 45, 1 upon root 2, sine of 30 degree, 1 by 2. So after multiplying, so root 3 on dividing 2 root 2 minus 1 on dividing 2 root 2. This is a like fraction, therefore we can write root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. This is the required answer. Again we take one more example. So example number second, sine of 75 degree is equal to sine of 45 degree plus 30 degree. So we know that how to remember formula. So write down sine, cos, sine, same sign. So here plus sign present, therefore we take here plus sign. So write down the angles. First angle is 45 degree multiplication 30 degree. First angle 45 degree multiplication 30 degree next angle. So is equal to sine 45, 1 upon root 2. Cos of 30 degree is root 3 by 2 plus cos of 45 is 1 upon root 2. Sine of 30 degree is 1 by 2. So after multiplication, so root 3 on dividing 2 root 2 plus 1 on dividing 2 root 2. So this is a like fraction. Here denominator are same, therefore we can write root 3 plus 1 on dividing 2 root 2. So this is the answer for sine of 75 degree. So let's we take next example. So third example is sine of 105 degree. So is equal to sine of 60 degree plus 45 degree. So is equal to, we know that how to remember the formula, sine, cos, cos, sine, same sign. So here plus sign present, therefore we take plus sign. So sine of 60 degree multiplication, then 45 degree, then 60 degree multiplication, then 45 degree. So we know that the values, sine 60 degree root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2, plus cos 60 degree 1 by 2, sine 45 1 upon root 2. So is equal to, so after multiplication we get root 3 on dividing 2 root 2 plus 1 divided by 2 root 2. So again we get like fraction, so value of denominator is same, therefore root 3 plus 1 on dividing 2 root 2. So this is the answer for sine of 105. So we take example based on the next formula, that is cos of A plus or minus B. So is equal to, very simple method, you can remember, cos, sine, reverse sign, so minus plus. Reverse means if plus sign is present, then you take minus sign. If minus sign is present, then you take plus sign. So take the angle, first angle A, multiplication, second angle here B, then first angle A, multiplication, then second angle B. So again I repeat how to remember this formula, cos, sine, reverse sign. Cos, sine, reverse sign. So very simple. Let's we take example based on the cos of A plus or minus B. So first example is cos of 15 degree. So cos of 15 degrees means, so cos of, by using the compound angle, so 15 degree is nothing but the 45 degree minus 30 degree. So write down in the format, by using this formula we can say that, we can write that cos, sine, here minus sign is present, so therefore the its reverse sign is plus. So first angle 45 degree, then second angle 30 degree, first angle 45 degree, then second angle 30 degree. We know that principal table values, so cos of 45 1 upon root 2, cos of 30 degree root 3 by 2, sine of 45 1 upon root 2, sine of 30 degree 1 by 2. So is equal to, so root 3 on dividing 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So is equal to, this is the example of like is equal to, this is the example of like fraction. So we can write root 3 plus 1 on dividing 2 root 2. This is the answer for cos of 15 degree. Let's we take one more example for practice. So cos of 75 degree. So is equal to, cos of 75 means 45 degree plus 30 degree. Again we write by using the formula cos, sine, reverse sign. So here is a plus, so reverse sign is minus. First angle is 45, second angle is 30 degree, first angle 45, second angle is 30 degree. So is equal to cos of 45 1 upon root 2, cos of 30 degree root 3 by 2, minus sign, sine of 45 1 upon root 2, sine of 30 degree 1 by 2. So is equal to, after multiplication, so root 3 on divide 2 root 2, then minus sign 1 on divide 2 root 2. Here we again get like fraction, therefore we can write 3 root 3 minus 1 on dividing to root 2. So this is the answer for cos of 75 degree. So let's we take more example. So example number 3 is cos of 105 degree. So is equal to cos of 60 degree plus 45 degree. So is equal to, we know that how to remember the formula, cos sin reverse sign. So here plus sign is present, therefore we take minus sign. So 60 degree, then 45 degree, 60 degree, then 45 degree. So we know that the for values, cos of 60 degree 1 by 2, cos 45 1 upon root 2 minus sin of 60 degree root 3 by 2, sin of 45 1 upon root 2. So is equal to 1 minus root 3 on divide to root 2. So this is the answer. So next formula is tan of A plus or minus B is equal to tan A tan of B on divide 1 tan of A multiplication tan of B. So very simple, how to remember tan of A plus or minus B, tan A tan B 1 tan A into tan B. So here take same sign, that is plus or minus, and here take reverse sign, that is minus plus. If plus sign is present, then take plus, here minus. If minus sign is present, they take minus, and here plus. So we take example, first example, tan of 15 degree is equal to tan of 45 degree minus 30 degree. So we know that formula, by using formula tan of 45 degree minus tan of 30 degree, take the same sign, on divide 1 take the reverse sign, that is plus, tan of 45 degree on multiplication tan of 30 degree. So is equal to, we know that tan of 45 is 1 minus tan of 30 degree is 1 upon root 3 on divide 1 plus tan of 45 is 1, tan of 30 degree is 1 upon root 3. So is equal to, after cross multiplication we get root 3 minus 1 on divide root 3 and divide. So root 3 multiplied by 1, that means root 3 plus 1 on divide root 3. So root 3 get cancel. So by using rationalization, very simple, you have to multiply the conjugate of denominator. So here root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. So conjugate of root 3 plus 1 is nothing but root 3 minus 1. You can multiply at numerator as well as denominator, root 3 minus 1. So here at the numerator we get root 3 minus 1 and root 3 minus 1 become root 3 minus 1 bracket square. On divide root 3 plus 1 and root 3 minus 1. This is the format of A minus B multiplication A plus B. So answer is A square minus B square. So by using this, so we can write root 3 bracket square minus 1 bracket square. So we get is equal to root 3 minus 1 bracket square on divide 3 minus 1. So is equal to root 3 minus 1 bracket square on divide 3 minus 1 is 2. So this is the final answer. So we take one more example. So second example, tan of 105. We know that tan of 15 degrees, tan of 45 minus 30 degree. So we get this answer. So for the tan of 75 degree, so we get root 3 plus 1 bracket square on dividing 2. So you can solve at your home and practice and check the answer is right. So is equal to, we take next example, tan of 60 degree plus 45 degree. So is equal to tan of 60 degree plus tan of 45 degree. Here take the same sign, on divide 1 minus, take the reverse sign, that is minus tan of 60 degree multiply by tan of 45 degree. So is equal to, we know that tan of 60 degree is root 3, 45 degree is 1, on divide 1 minus root 3 multiply by 1. So is equal to, take the minus sign common from denominator, so we get root 3 plus 1 on divide root 3 minus 1. So by using rationalization, so minus root 3 plus 1 on divide root 3 minus 1. So conjugate of root 3 minus 1 is nothing but the under root of root 3 plus 1. So multiply by these two, numerator and denominator. So we get minus, here the bracket is same, therefore root 3 plus 1 bracket square on divide, again here we get under root of 3 minus 1, under root of 3 plus 1, we get a minus b, a plus b bracket expansion. So here answer is a square minus b square. So our answer root 3 bracket square and 1 bracket square. So is equal to minus root 3 plus 1 bracket square on divide 3 minus 1. So is equal to minus root 3 plus 1 bracket square on divide 2. So this is our final answer. So in such way that we can find out the example based on the compound angle. Thank you very much.